Today, the tiny book I'm going to share with you is called My Rules for Going to Sleep. I wrote this one because several of you mentioned you were not having good luck sleeping. Whether because of input from the outside world or what's going on inside your body, I think this guide should help. I'm going to preface it by saying, in addition to these things, I try to limit looking at screens for half an hour before I go to bed. My Rules for Going to Sleep by Jessica Gath. That's me. Number 1, don't think about anything. Number 2, if you must think of something, think about your breath. So think about it going in, think about it going out, think about it going in, think about it going out. It can get pretty boring. Number 3, if it's too loud, put in earplugs or use a white noise machine. A fan is a great white noise machine. There are also things called white noise machines. The Marpac Dome is a very effective one. Number 4, if it's too bright, cover your eyes. I like to use a soft black tank top, but any old eye mask or dark colored fabric that feels good will work. The darker the better. Sweet dreams.